Hey guys, I made a new channel to put all my computer building and hardware on. So it's called White Box Builders, and all the links here are going to be to that channel. And please subscribe to that channel if you're interested, and thanks.
Turn your back like you always do. Face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll be here 'cause you're all that I got. I can't